Laser Process Mystery Box Challenge. One hardcore challenge in each episode.
Wow.
Episode 2, Dual Object Testing Challenge. Today, a leaf serves as the witness. The rust layer absorbs laser energy, instantly vaporizing into plasma. The shock wave directly removes the rust. The substrate and green leaf do not absorb the laser, remain completely intact. The same precision on paper, black ink vaporizes, leaving the substrate intact. Not even burnt edges are left. The principle behind both tests is the same. With the right wavelength and parameters, the laser removes contaminants without affecting the substrate. Applied to industrial scenarios, it is an upgraded solution for tire mold cleaning, replacing dry ice cleaning and sandblasting, while protecting patterns, keeping air vents clear, and extending mold service life. From thin film coating removal to paint and rust removal before steel structure welding, laser processing is precise, controllable, consumable-free, and even suitable for cultural heritage restoration. Gently removing contaminant layers without damaging the original texture. HG Laser, mastering light precision to protect materials. Tell us what to test next in the comments.